In this video we are going to explain how to configure your Wi-Fi camera application, V360, in an easy and simple way. The first thing is to download the application and register. Then you will receive a confirmation email with a verification code to finish enabling your user and be able to continue with the registration on your cell phone. This first step may take a few minutes before you can add your camera. This allows us to enter our username and password and log in to add the device. Now that you have the Wi-Fi camera connected to the power supply, click on Add in the upper right corner. After this, the application will ask us to enable several permissions, including location permission, access to multimedia files, and also to activate our Bluetooth connection to detect Wi-Fi cameras. Here the application gives us several addition options. We choose to add by QR code. We press I have confirmed the previous operation and next step. At this point, the application will ask us for the Wi-Fi network data where we are going to add our Wi-Fi security camera. It is important to confirm if your Wi-Fi camera is not compatible with a 5G network and thus choose the correct network connection. Once the network data has been entered, we scan the QR code that the application gives us, placing it about 30 centimeters from the lens of the Wi-Fi camera that we want to add. We hear a confirmation sound. We return to the previous screen in the application, and this is where an automatic search for detection of the Wi-Fi camera occurs. After a period of approximately 2 minutes, this process will show us on a next screen that it has been successfully added, allowing us to give it a descriptive name before moving on to real-time monitoring. After defining whether or not we accept cloud storage and following some recommendations, the application shows us our correctly added Wi-Fi camera. At this point, we are ready to take photographs, videos, listen to what is happening on site and make intelligent monitoring adjustments for best results. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments to clarify your doubts. We are waiting for you in the next video.